build Android app in Google AI Studio. So I was able to build this Android app right inside Google AI Studio. I can change the theme to the theme that I prefer. And then let me walk you through what the app is. So the app is pregnancy tracker. You put in your name, you click on next, and then over here, come and then select the first day of your last period. And after selecting it, you simply have to come and then click on start journey. And over here, the app is going to confirm it's going to ask you to confirm your pregnancy, and it's going to walk you through and then track your pregnancy for you. So as you can see, so this is the estimated date that the app is going to show you to deliver. It also comes with other tabs. It is not just the home tab. We also have the baby profile as well, whereby you can come and select either a boy or girl. You also have the option to come and then choose a name for your baby. That is the unborn baby. Okay, so after generating it, you can come and then click on keep name if you like it. Okay, so beside this, we also have a guide, and the guide also walks you through each week. Okay, and then it will also give you some tips to let you know what to do during that week. Okay, so I was able to do it in Google AI Studio and then generate the APK. So this is the APK, and I was able to install it right on my phone by tapping on install. And from here, after installing it, let me tap on open for you to see. So as you can see, the app is working perfectly fine right on my phone. The exact same functions just as the one that I did in Google AI Studio. Okay, so after selecting the date of your last period, okay, you can come and then click on start your journey. And just as I did right inside Google AI Studio, it is having the exact same function, the tabs, and everything is working perfectly fine. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step guide on how you can even build a better app more than this, giving you the prompt, everything that you need. And I will walk you through, even as a complete beginner, how you can build your own Android app right inside Google AI Studio when you stick with me throughout the video. So as you can see, I can come and then save the name just as I did right inside Google AI Studio. It is also having the guide for the weeks. So as you can see, we have for week 1 is going to give you some tips and all that. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, so what you can also get is the app icon. So when I tap on the app icon, as you can see, my app is working perfectly fine. So you will also get an app icon for your app as well, and everything is working perfectly fine. So let's get right into it. So what you have to do is simply go to Google, and then from Google search, come and type in Google AI Studio and then hit enter. Come and select the official site of Google AI Studio by clicking on it. It is going to bring you right here to Google AI Studio, and it comes along with all these tabs. Okay, so the first thing is to come to where you have the playground and come and then click on it to select it. To bring you right here, okay, and then over here, come straight and then come and select Gemini. You can also select it from the top right hand corner. So where we have the Gemini 3 Pro preview, when you click on it, you see that we have all this here, and simply come and then click on the Gemini. The reason why we are clicking on Gemini is that it will display all the models. So as you can see, we have the models here. Come and select this model, that is Gemini 2.5 Pro. This is the model that you have to select first. By clicking on it, it is going to be selected. Okay, so after selecting Gemini 2.5 Pro, all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the chat option, and then come and then ask Gemini to give you the prompt that you are going to use to build your app. You can pause the video and then write it. Okay, so simply say, please give me the prompt to give to Google AI Studio to build my app for me. Then you put in the name of your app, okay, and then make sure that the app fits perfectly fine on the phone screen. Okay, this is what I want the app to do and have. Then take your time and explain in detail, okay, what you want your app to do. It is very important to explain it in detail. Okay, if you want a home page, a dashboard page, whatever page that you want, the color, just write it here. And after that, simply come here to where you have the send button and come and click on the send. So when you click on the send, Gemini is going to receive it, okay, and Gemini is going to create the full prompt. So as you can see, prompt for Google AI Studio, And this is the prompt that you are going to use to build your app. Okay, so you have to describe what you want your app to do in full detail. After that, simply come and then highlight the prompt that Gemini has given to you from start to finish. Come and then right click on it. And when it comes, come and click on copy. Okay, so after copying it, what you have to do is simply come here to where we have all the options, where we have the build option. Okay, this is what you're going to do. Simply come and then click on it. So when you click on the build, it is going to bring you right here where you can build your idea with Gemini. All that you have to do is simply come and then make sure that Gemini 3 Pro Preview is selected. And after that, come and paste your prompt right here, the one that you just copied, just as like this. Okay, and after that, simply come and then click on the build. So when you click on the build, that is it. Gemini is then going to build your app for you. So as you can see, I have my app being built. Okay, good, and it's working perfectly fine as I showed you at the beginning of the video. Okay, now at the top here you see that we have download app. Come and then click on the download app. So when you click on the download app, you see that it is going to be downloaded. So this is the zip file. You can come and then put the mouse on the show in folder and click on it. So when you click on it, that is it. Okay, so this is the zip file. Okay, now that we have our zip file being downloaded, the next thing is that you have to install Android Studio. Okay, so Android Studio is where you can build any app. Okay, so I have a video on how to install it if you don't have it. And then from here, simply come and then make sure that you select project by clicking on it. And then after that, come here to where we have new project and come and click on it. Okay, so when you click on new project, over here where we have the new project, come and select phones and tablets. Okay, phone and tablet, and then you see that all these activities will come. The activities that we are going to select is the empty views activity. It is very important to select the empty views activity by clicking on it. So when you click on it, it's going to be selected, and then simply come and click on the next. Okay, so after that, over here you have to come and then create a new empty views activity. So the first important thing is the name, and the name is the name of your app. Okay, so simply come and then highlight this and write the name of your app. So mine is Pregnancy Tracker S Plus. And then the package name automatically it is going to pick the name of your app. Okay, so after that, the save location over here, you can come and change it by clicking on the folder, the browse folder, and then change it. But I'm going to leave mine at the desktop. Okay, so the language, you can leave it just as it is. Okay, and then over here, the minimum SDK. So that's the minimum Android version that your app requires. Okay, so I'm going to leave it just like this, or you can click on it and then select the one that you prefer. But I'm going to leave it as it is. So this one, it is mostly available, okay, worldwide. So as you can see, most devices use it. And the build configuration, I'm simply going to leave it just as it is. Then come and click on the finish. So when you click on the finish, that is it. It is going to import your project for you. Okay, you can come and click on the progress bar and you see the progress of it. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply come here to the build, come and click on the build, and you see the progress. So as you can see, it is doing it. Just allow it to finish, and we have successfully build our empty views activity. So as you can see, so sync has finished, and we also have our Android folders and everything right here. The next important thing is that you have to come and then you have to connect your mobile phone, that is your Android phone, to that of your system by using a cable, and then make sure that you allow USB doubling and come and click on the run app. You are doing this in order to make sure that your app works perfectly fine. Okay, so as you can see, I have used the cable to connect with my phone, and I will click on run. And from here, from the build output, as you can see, it is building it. And from here, so as you can see, the Gradle is running. I can click on it and I will see the full progress. Okay, and with some few time, it is going to build it. So as you can see, it is launching on your device. So when you look at your phone screen, you see that the phone will display hello world. Okay, so as you can see from here, hello world is being displayed right on your phone. It means that your empty visual activity is working perfectly fine. Come and click on the stop app. Okay, now that you have clicked on the stop app, come to the far, that is the menu side from the far, and then come and click on save all. So after clicking on it, it is going to save for you, okay? And simply come here to where you have the close option, come and click on it. And you can simply come and then click on exit, okay? Now we have our folder for our app. That is our empty views activity folder. So when you right click and then you click on open, you see that we have everything right here. That is a complete Android folder and files in it. Now let's go to our downloaded zip file. So come and then open where you saved it. Okay, so this is the app that we just created in Google AI Studio, and then we have downloaded it. This is the zip file, right? Now what you are going to do is that we are going to unzip it. So when you right click on it, simply come here to where you have the extract all. Come and click on the extract all, and then over here make sure that show extracted files when complete is checked, and come and click on extract. Okay, so it is going to extract, and now we have our unzip folder. So this is our extracted folder right here. What you are going to do is that you are going to drag this extracted folder into the empty views activity folder that we just created. Okay, so we are going to drag it right from here and then come and paste it right here, okay, into our new activity folder that we just created. So let's drag our unzip folder and then come and then leave it right here inside our new inside our activity views. Okay, that is the empty views activity folder. So we have it right here. So when you look through, you see that we have a complete Android folder plus that of the unzipped, okay, folder, the one that we downloaded from Google AI Studio, the app that we just built, okay, right inside this. Good. Now that we have it, simply open anti-gravity, install it on your system. If you don't have it, I have a complete video on how to install it. And then from here, okay, come and then make sure that you are within anti-gravity, and then the model, come and right click on it, and over here come and select Gemini 3 Pro. Okay, so make sure that Gemini 3 Pro High is selected, and come and then open it. So come here to the file. From the file options, come here to where it says open folder, come and click on it, and over here just click on where you have your empty views activity folder. Okay, so this is it, the one that we created from Android Studio. Come and then click on it to select, and come and click on select folder. Okay, it is going to ask you to trust it. So simply come and then click on yes, I trust the authors. So when you click on it, it is going to then load it. So as you can see, this is the name of our empty views activity folder, and still Gemini 3 Pro is selected. So when you come here, you see that we are within the folder, and it comes along with everything, and that is the folder that we have placed our unzipped folder, okay, for the Google AI Studio app that we just downloaded. Now what you have to do is simply come and then give it the prompt, and it is going to integrate, it is going to take every code from your unzipped folder inside the new MTV's activity. So this is the prompt. I have pinned the prompt right at the video comment section. You can copy it, okay. After copying it, make sure that you come here to where we have the project details, and then come and fill this. It is very important. So the first thing is the project part. So the project part is where you have your empty views activity, okay, folder. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get to your project part. So over here, so from your empty views activity folder, come and then right click on it. After clicking on it, simply come here to where we have the properties, and come and click on the properties. So from the general over here, you see that we have the location. Okay, come and then highlight the whole location, everything that comes along with it. Right click on it. Okay, so when you right click on it, come here to where you have the copy, and then come and click on copy, and come here to where we have the project part. Okay, that is paste full part here. Come and then paste it right there. Okay, so after pasting it, the next important thing is that you have to come and then put this symbol, okay, that is this this symbol, just highlight it. Okay, you copy it and come and put it right in front of the desktop, okay, without leaving any space. And the next thing is that we need the name. Okay, so the folder name, simply come and then highlight everything. Okay, just as it's, then come and then right click and come and click on copy. And after that, simply come and then paste it right in front. Okay, just like this. So the whole thing, everything makes the project part. Now that you have your project part, the next important thing is the name of your unzip folder. That is the Google AI Studio folder that we just unzipped. Okay, so come and then paste that name right here. Let me show you how to get it as well. So from our empty views activity folder that we created, just right click on open. Inside it, that is where we placed our unzip folder. Okay, so this is it. Just come and then right click on it. So when you right click on it, come here to where we have the properties. Okay, and then come and click on the properties. And then from the general, you will see that we have the name here. Come and then highlight everything. You put the mouse on it, you right click on it, and come and click on copy, and come here and come and paste it right here. So now we have the name, okay, of the unzip folder right here. And the next important thing that you have to do is your app icon. Okay, so you have to describe how you want your app icon to look like, okay, in just some few simple description. And I am simply going to describe it as, I want my app icon to have a pregnant woman showing a pregnancy. Okay, and that is it. Gemini know exactly how to do it. After that, highlight the whole prompt, come and then right click on it and click on copy, and simply come here to where we have the chat box with Gemini and come and paste the whole prompt right here. So after pasting it, after pasting, filling everything and then pasting it right here, what you have to do now is to simply come and then click on the send. Okay, so when you click on the send, Gemini is going to receive your whole prompt and Gemini is going to draw something called implementation plan. So as you can see, Gemini has received your whole prompt and it has drawn the implementation plan that you have to read, okay, and then allow Gemini to go ahead. So to see the implementation plan from the top here, you see that we have the implementation plan, and this is what Gemini is going to do for you. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply take your time, read it, and scroll to the button to know exactly as it is. And then come and say that, please, I have reviewed it, so proceed with the integration. Okay, the exact same thing, and come and click on send. So after that, Gemini is going to build everything for you. Okay, so as you can see, Gemini is going ahead. Sometimes you have to allow Gemini to run a command by simply coming to click on the accept. So anytime you see this, make sure that you click on accept. First thing that Gemini is going to do is that Gemini is going to build or create your app icon. So as you can see how I describe my app icon, that is exactly how Gemini has created it, and it is awesome. So I simply have to come and then allow it to run the prompt. So I'm simply going to click on accept, and that is it. Gemini is going to go ahead and it has successfully integrated the whole thing for me. So as you can see, I can now go ahead and then build my APK. So it has given us the walkthrough and you can take your time, read everything. So as you can see, it has successfully integrated everything. Okay, and now we can go ahead, okay, and accept it. So simply come and click on accept all, and after accepting it, you have to save it, okay, so that you don't lose it. So come here to the files, and then from the files, come here to where we have save workspace as. Come and click on it, and you have to save it, okay. Just choose where you want to save it, and come here to where we have the file name, okay, and come and add something to it. So I'm simply going to add up to it so that it does not conflict with my already folder name. And then the type, leave it as code workspace, the exact same thing, and come and click on save so that you don't lose your work, okay. And you can come and click on close. Now we can go ahead and then build our APK right from Android Studio. So from Android Studio, we already have our apps. Okay, so simply come here to where we have the menu, click on it from the file option. Over here, you have to come and then sync it. Okay, so to sync it, come and click on sync project with Gradle files. So when you click on it, it is going to sync it for you. Okay, so as you can see, importing it, just allow it to do it. And from here, you see the full thing. Okay, you can also come here to where we have the build. Come and click on the build. And from here, you see that it is syncing. So just allow your project to sync. And as you can see, it has successfully synced. Okay, now you have to come and then connect your mobile phone to it as well. Okay, so you come and then run it to see that the app that Gemini has built is the exact app that you wanted. Okay, so simply connect your mobile phone to your system using a cable and then allow doubling and come and click on run app. Okay, so when you click on run app, your app is going to show. So as you can see, it is building the output and it is going to launch the app right on your phone. So from the Gradle build, you will see the full progress of it. Okay, so give it some time and it is going to launch. So as you can see, the app has launched right on my phone. So you have to test it to know that this is exactly what you wanted your app to be. And that is exactly how I wanted my app to be. You can come and click on the stop when you are okay with it. And then you can simply go ahead and then build your APK. So simply come here to the files and from the options, come to the build. Okay. And from the options, come here to where we have generate app bundles or APK and come and click on generate APK. So that is it. It is going to build it for you. And as you can see, build successful. Now that we have built successful from the output to you can see that it has finished. Simply come here to the notification icon, click on it, and you will see the message showing the location of where you can find the APK by clicking on the locate. And that is it. You have your APK right here. This is what you are going to install on your phone. You can right click on it and copy it and send it directly to your Android phone and then install it right from there. Okay, so now let's come and click on the notification icon again, and then we can simply come and save it. So from the menu, from the file option, come here to save all, then come and click on close and you can simply come and then click on the exit by clicking on it. Okay, now let's go to our phone where we save it. I save it at the internal storage. So from the file manager, I'm going to tap on it and then come here to where we have all files and come here to the internal storage by tapping on it. When I scroll down, you see that I have the APK right here. I can simply come and then tap on the APK and I can simply come and then install it by simply tapping on the install button. Okay, so since it is new, Play Protect is going to try to scan it, but there is nothing wrong with it. Come and tap on more details and come and tap on install without scanning. So it is now going to install. It has finished installing. You can come and tap on open, and as you can see, the app is working perfectly fine. So this is actually how to create your own Android app right inside Google AI Studio and then build the APK and install it right on your Android phone. Okay, so if you have any questions at all, anything, just leave in the comment section and I will simply reply you. Like the video and then see you in my next video.